If you've just downloaded a game from itch.io and you're not sure what to do with the file, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to unzip itch.io games step by step so you can extract the files, open the game folder, and launch the game without getting stuck. This is a super common issue for new PC gamers, and the good news is that it's usually very easy to fix. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple gaming and software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, after downloading the game from itch.io, go to your Downloads folder. This is where most browsers save files by default, so that's the first place you want to check. Look for the game file you just downloaded. It may appear as a compressed folder, a zip file, or sometimes another archive format depending on how the creator uploaded it. Once you find it, double-click the file to open it. If your computer supports built-in extraction tools, you may see the contents right away. If it opens in a compressed folder window, look for the Extract option at the top. Click Extract to begin the unzipping process. When prompted, choose where you want the extracted files to go. You can keep the default location, or click Browse and select a different folder if you want to keep things organized. After that, click Extract again to finish. Your computer will now unzip the game and create a new folder containing all the files. Once the extraction is complete, open the extracted folder. Inside, you should see the game's files, including the executable file, often labeled as a .exe on Windows. That is the file you need to run to start the game. Double-click the .exe or game file, and the game should launch. If the game doesn't start right away, make sure you open the extracted folder and not the original zip file, because the game usually won't run properly from inside the compressed archive. It's always better to extract everything first, then open the finished folder and launch the game from there. If you downloaded multiple files from itch.io, repeat the same process for each archive. And if your system asks for permission or warns you about opening a file from the internet, just make sure the download came from the official itch.io page and the developer you trust. That's it. Once you know where your downloads folder is, how to click Extract, and where to find the exe file, unzipping itch.io games becomes really simple. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another game file or setup issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.